Warning: your Chevy Corvette's interior is silently losing value every single day. If you haven't upgraded to the best seat covers for Chevy Corvette, you're risking irreversible damage from spills, UV, and wear. What if I told you a simple switch could protect it like new, without breaking the bank? Let's start. Number 5. Jarme's custom car seat cover for Chevrolet Silverado 1999 to 2025 is a game changer for Chevy owners. Crafted with premium 5-layer composite leather, high elastic sponge, and a non-slip base, it ensures durability, comfort, and breathability. Fully waterproof, scratch-resistant, and all-weather ready, it protects your interior while keeping you cool. With easy installation in just 15 to 25 minutes, adjustable Velcro back seats, and handy storage pockets, this cover delivers luxury, practicality, and unmatched protection. Number 4. Jemperer brings you the ultimate Chevy Corvette 2000 to 2025 front row leather seat covers, designed to combine luxury, protection, and style. Crafted from premium leatherette, they shield your seats from spills, stains, and scratches, while perforated panels keep you cool on long drives. Easy installation with adjustable straps means no tools required. This full set, available in 7 colors, delivers comfort, durability, and a sleek, modern look, elevating your Corvette's interior instantly. Number 3. Iggy Chevy Corvette C4 Black Custom Fit Seat Covers are a game changer for 1984 to 1993 Corvette owners. Crafted from premium faux leather, they provide high-level protection while perfectly hugging your seats. Custom cutouts ensure side airbags, power controls, and seat adjusters remain fully accessible. Easy slip-on installation means no hassle, and the vehicle-specific fit guarantees a sleek, factory-like look. Upgrade your Corvette's interior, protect your investment, and enjoy unmatched comfort and style with Iggy. Number 2. DHAY car seat covers for Chevrolet Corvette instantly transform your ride. Made from micro-perforated, breathable Nappa leather, these front sport seat covers keep you cool, dry, and super comfortable during performance driving. Designed for a perfect fit with elastic sides and precise airbag openings, they provide ultimate safety. Scratch-resistant and durable, they protect against UV, spills, and wear. Easy to install in 10 minutes, they instantly elevate your Corvette's interior aesthetics, sleek, supportive, and performance-ready. Number 1. Giant Panda brings the ultimate upgrade for your Chevy Corvette C7 2014 to 2019. These custom-fit front seat covers wrap your seats perfectly, made from soft, durable faux leather that's waterproof and wear-resistant. With a diamond-quilted design, they add style while protecting your seats from stains, scratches, and pet hair. Easy installation with Velcro, buckles, and straps ensures a snug fit. Experience comfort, luxury, and protection, all in one sleek package. Upgrade now.